Email broadcast is a powerful feature in ConvertKit. It allows you to send new content out to a mailing list. You can send out an email to your entire email subscribers with just one click using this feature. Hi guys, this is Jaswin Walia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP, we will learn how to send an email broadcast to your subscribers using ConvertKit. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So, in order to create an email broadcast for all the subscribers on your ConvertKit account through the leads that you must have captured from landing pages, forms, or just uploaded the particular leads that you already have, you can upload it on ConvertKit. So, all the leads that you have, you can have an email broadcast out to them. So, let's go ahead and see how that happens. You have to go to set from here and click on broadcasts. Great. So you will have your all broadcasts option. You will have some drafts, processing queued, completed, right? So what we will do is we will create a new broadcast from right here in the right-hand side. As you can see, there's a red button. We will click on that. Great. So the first thing that we will do is fill up some content right here. All right, so now that I have put some content out there, what you can do is you can go ahead and preview from here how your email would look like in your leads inbox. So when you preview, you can preview it as a subscriber as well, or you can just send a test email to yourself and see how it turns out. I'm going to close the preview and let's go ahead, click on continue. All right, so the next page that we arrive to is right here. As you can see, we are sending it from our address. And who would you like to send this to? Select your subscribers. So since we're sending it to all subscribers for now, you can just hit on all subscribers here. Now, keep in mind if you want to edit the subscribers, if you want to edit out the people that you're sending this particular email to, you can add a filter, right? So either all subscribers or you can choose subscribers subscribe to a particular form, a particular landing page within a segment, some cold subscribers that you might have uploaded, and there are multiple things that you can choose from here. So, for example, subscribe to a particular form, a particular sequence, tags, products, and we will get to this in another SOP. But yes, this is also something that you can do if you like. This is a little bit advanced. And what we're doing right now is just basic ConvertKit email broadcasting. All right, so we have our all subscribers here. When would you like to send this? You can send this now, or you can schedule it for later. You can post it to your public field. You can check out what this is, what it means from here. And of course, there are some advanced options that you can go for. Some preview text that appears after the subject line in the box and an internal note. Now, this will be displayed throughout the app alongside your subject line, but your subscribers won't be able to see it. So yeah, if you guys want some internal notes for yourself, you can definitely put an internal note as well. And yeah, I think we're good to go with this. Let's hit on continue. Great. So I have 36 subscribers. And all you have to do is send this particular broadcast. Click on the send broadcast and you will be good to go. So there you go. We have successfully created and sent an email broadcast to our subscribers from our ConvertKit account. Hope you guys understood how you can send out an email broadcast to your subscribers using your ConvertKit account. I will be coming up with a lot more recipes concerning tools and WordPress. And if you have any other video that you would like to see on the Learn Today channel, you feel free to comment them in the comment section down below. Hit on that like button along with the subscribe and the notification bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. This is Justin Walia, and I will see you in our next SOP.